Kia Stinger sports sedan has made a splash again, and the automotive world is abuzz with excitement. That's right, Kia will introduce the 𝐸8, a high-performance electric vehicle that's poised to redefine the boundaries of electric driving. For years, the Kia Stinger has captured the hearts of enthusiasts with its sleek design and exhilarating performance. But now, it's time for the next chapter in the Stinger story, one driven by innovation and sustainability. Say hello to the 2025 Kia EV8, the official successor to the beloved Stinger, which will be launched in 2026. What sets the GT1 apart from the others? For starters, this will be Kia's first electric vehicle built on a dedicated next-generation electric vehicle platform, promising unmatched performance and efficiency. With a large capacity battery of 113.2 kWh, GT1 is ready to provide an enjoyable driving experience. But it's a shame that the GT1 prototype has yet to be seen. Now, I know you're dying to catch a glimpse of the GT1 in action, and lucky for you, we have an exclusive insight into the exterior design of this innovative vehicle, and imagine what the upcoming 2026 Kia EV8 will look like. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of the Kia EV8. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates. See you again.